urban ecology is becoming such an important focus now to realize that A, urban environments are not depleted of species completely. B, they're actually really species rich in some cases, and through different type of integrated architecture, landscape design, you can actually really make nice nature preserves even within a cityscape. This kind of moth watching, insect watching, it's a great way to have a dialogue about local ecosystems. So I started to plug that in more towards an art context by making them into sculptures. Typically they're using either UV tube lights. The structures themselves generally are custom built out of aluminum, and essentially because of this kind of poly-lycra blend of fabric we're using, it'll literally absorb the light but reflect it. They evolve from very minimal, simple forms to really complicated big shapes, and they've been all over the place. I think that at this point they've been in about a dozen countries and really manifested themselves in all sorts of ways. And I get inspired every time I build one because of the community that's there, the human community and the way they respond, but also all the amazing varieties of different arthropods that are attracted, and just that kind of connection, and hopefully that connection between the human community and that biodiversity community, and how they're really much more integrated than most human beings realize. So once people get over the fact that they're not going to be devoured by coming and like monitoring the types of insects that are showing up, that's one hurdle to overcome. And then the thing that I notice is once people stop and focus in on some of the species, they actually get really engaged, because they're looking at the shapes, the colors, the behavior, and they're realizing there's this whole other side of the, of animals they've never really paid attention to, and that's really an underlying goal. It's great to be able to be working with Sigma Xi, and this is a organization that I've known about for many years, and really happy that we're finally partnering on something, and look forward to working together on different opportunities in the future. And I think it's a great marriage between research, the way citizens can become involved, especially through what I call participatory biology programs or citizen science, and the way that art can be involved too. It's a creative expression, another means to reach people in a way that perhaps research science alone can. But combined together, I think we have the ability to really reach a diverse community, and I think that's important.